You want to create an amazing YouTube videos, but you hate writing script or showing your face. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to write a full YouTube script very fast and easy. So watch this video till the end. Step 1, you need to go to your Play Store and download ChatGPT inside your phone. After downloading it, you come and sign it up with your email address. So you now log into the ChatGPT. So if you log into the ChatGPT, you can able to use free version, or you can able to subscribe for a paid version, which is very faster. So what you can do next is you will decide your video. You will decide the topic. Think of something people are searching for, tutorials that people are searching for, or anything how to, or either any trending topics. You can go on Google Trend to search for trending topics. After searching it, when you get it, you come to your notepad and note it on your notepad. So after noting it on your notepad, let's say for example, let me give you example. Let me go to my notepad here. Let me note something on my notepad here. Let's say I put it here, how to grow a YouTube channel in 2025. So this is what I have in mind now. That is why I note it down. So you may have something different. You may have another topic different from this one. You can able to use it for even comedy skit and any other thing. You just note your idea down on your notepad like this. So what you are going to do now is to now go to ChatGPT. Let me go to ChatGPT and show you. Yes, okay, here is ChatGPT. You go to ChatGPT. So okay, here is ChatGPT now. So right now you can able to use this button to be using your mouth to talk, and it will be writing it for you, or you can able to write it yourself. So now what you are going to do is that you come and say you have to give ChatGPT a clear prompt so that it can generate it well for you. You come and give ChatGPT like this, say write me a YouTube, or either you just copy the one that you put at that place and come and paste it here. But let me just type it myself. YouTube script. YouTube script. Sorry. Write me a YouTube script about you just say write me a YouTube script about, and then you paste the, let me just go and copy and come and paste it. Okay, So you can do it the same way I am doing it. Then it has refreshed. Okay, let me write again. Write me a YouTube script about, then you paste the one here, you copy, then you can see it here. Write me a YouTube script about how to grow a YouTube channel in 2025. So you can go ahead again and put it at the front. Make it, you are the one that will tell ChatGPT what you want it to be. So you say make it 3 to 5 minutes long. Include also include an intro step steps and a conclusion. See, so after writing it like this, you then send it to ChatGPT like this. You get your intro, main point, and even a call to action. So here is the result now. You can see what ChatGPT have given me. YouTube script, how to grow a YouTube channel in 2025, 3 to 5 minutes video type. So you can see it here. This is the intro. You can see it. You want to grow your YouTube channel in 2025 but feel like the algorithm is not working against, is working against you. You are not alone. In this video, I will break down 5 powerful steps you can use right now to grow your YouTube channel fast, even if you are starting from zero. No stuff, no sloth, no fake promise, just strategies that work in 2025. You can see this thing. If someone is saying this, you won't know that he used ChatGPT because it's very original. Although you can ever, as it is like this, you don't need to copy it and go and paste it. Yes, you have to just copy it and put it at your notepad to edit it in your own way. You may put it in your own style to feel, so that people will feel it real. It should feel original. It should not feel like AI. It should be like human being. So you edit everything like that. So after editing it, you go and do your video with it. No one will know that it is being generated by AI. So that's how to do it. You can also use this ChatGPT to write your title. At the same time, you can able to use it to do your to generate a thumbnail prompt. And at the same time, you can use it for your description of the video that you want to upload. At the same time, you can still use it for the tax, anything you can ask and it can generate it for you. So if this video help you, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thank you for watching.